everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a playground slide and swing. So let's get started. Start by drawing a long, slightly curved line for the base of the slide. Draw a parallel line above it, following the same curve. Connect these two lines at both ends to form the base. From the top end of the base, draw a line going up at an angle to represent the side of the slide. Repeat this on the other side, ensuring both lines are symmetrical. Connect the top ends of the side lines with a curved line, following the contour of the base to complete the slide surface. Add support beams under the slide by drawing vertical lines from the base to the ground. Start by drawing two tall, vertical lines for the sides of the frame. These lines should be slightly angled outward. Connect the tops of these lines with a horizontal line to complete the top bar of the frame.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat,
From the top bar, draw two vertical lines hanging down. These will be the ropes or chains of the swing. Connect these lines at the bottom with a horizontal line to form the seat. Add depth to the seat by drawing another line parallel to the first one, creating a rectangular seat. Draw small circles or rectangles at the top of the ropes/chains to indicate where they attach to the frame. Orange color.
I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jump, jump. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for mat, mat. N is for net, net. O is for orange, orange. P is for pet, pet. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for toad, toad.
Red color.
U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for watch, watch. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yellow,
Brown color.
Z is for zebra, zebra.
cheerful playground slide and swing drawing. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy drawing!